Hey, Dave and Mike, it's Ghetto Van Adventures. Please subscribe and like our videos, and subscription is important these days. We're at Scrapyard again. Lovely. Look at it. Look at it. All of it in its glory. And we're on the hunt. Gonna check out some stuff and see what we find, and maybe grab a few parts cheap. What do you think? This is your first trip, isn't it?
My first trip to Scrapyard. So
yeah, first trip to the Scrapyard.
Touching anything, and we'll go.
Hey, look. Pennies.
Copper. Copper, man. It's the price of copper. What do we find here, Dave?
DPFE sensor, and I want it.
What?
It's a long story, but I want it.
What do they normally cost?
About 115 bucks Canadian.
Okay. We'll see when we check out what it's worth.
Yeah, that right there. I want that. Me likey. You know what I should brought?
Knife? Clippers?
Something.
That
There.
works.
There.
I have no idea what it is, but good job. Good find.
Cool. A set of rusty side cutters. And they're mine now. For a game of golf. More minivans to pilfer. Anybody want to baste a turkey? I think that's a nice weed eater we could rebuild and use this summer.
I can use that at home.
Example of what the underneath of cars look like when you don't undercoat. Okay, so what do we get?
Stuff.
I know that. 3
Plastic things.
DPFE sensors and the hoses and everything. I cut off some of the harness in case future down the road ever need a piece of a harness. And we got that. And this is a snap-on thing. And I'll clean this up and show you how I clean up stuff in the future. So what do you think, Mike?
Money.
What do you think?
Just made some money. Save some money.
Yeah. So if I bought those,
besides my soaker, dirty pants, and you know,
but these
on
are
my hands, I'm okay.
But these are 100 and change each. So we just spent 20 bucks, and for $300 worth of parts.
Let's hope they work.
They will. Well, guys, hope you liked the video. Go check out your wrecking yard. What do you think, Mike?
Not bad at all.
That's his first run, like I said.
Wear boots though.
Yeah, wear boots.
Yeah.
It's starting to melt a little bit now, so it's a little sloppy in there. Saw a lot of neat stuff.
Save some money on parts, so it's all good.
Yeah, save 300 bucks. So also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and give us a like and forward it on to your friends. But check out our records. I think you'll enjoy it. Later.